There's a chart points nerds guard like a bank vault. It shows exactly when transferring your points is worth 2, 3, even 5 cents each instead of 1. I'm going to reveal it piece by piece today, one sweet spot at a time. So stick around because spot number 8 is the one most people get completely backwards. 4 banks run the flexible points game: American Express membership rewards, Chase Ultimate Rewards, CD Thank You Points, and Capital One Miles. Each one lets you earn a single flexible currency, then choose later where it goes: airlines, hotels, or straight cash. The catch: once you hit transfer, that decision is final. No undo button, no refunds. That's why the smartest move in this entire hobby is doing nothing, letting points sit with the bank until you actually have a booking in mind. Parked points are liquid. They can become Delta miles today or Hyatt points tomorrow, whatever the trip needs. Transferred points are frozen. Move 100,000 points into an airline program, and they're only worth what that one program says they're worth. Airlines devalue constantly, and once your points are sitting in a frequent flyer account, you eat the devaluation with zero warning. So the rule is simple. Transfer only when you have a confirmed award in mind, ideally with availability already verified. Now let's get into the chart itself. 8 specific situations where transferring instantly beats holding cash value points. Sweet spot 1 is domestic saver awards. Airlines release a limited batch of saver-level seats on partner charts, often 2 to 3 times cheaper than the equivalent cash fare per mile. A round-trip domestic saver award can run around 12,000 to 15,000 miles depending on the program, versus paying $300 plus in cash. The move: search partner availability first using a free tool, then transfer the exact amount needed. Never transfer speculatively. Sweet spot 2 is off-peak hotel transfers. Certain hotel loyalty programs use dynamic or off-peak pricing that drops well below their normal category chart. Lower category properties in off-peak season can cost drastically fewer points per night than their standard rate. This is where transferring beats booking cash, because the point value per night can spike past 2 cents each, well above baseline redemption value. Sweet spot 3 is positioning flights. Sometimes the cheapest way to reach a better departure airport is a short award flight that costs almost nothing in miles. A short regional hop can cost a small fraction of the miles needed for a long-haul award, making it nearly free to reposition yourself into a cheaper or better routing. This only works if you've already mapped your full itinerary before transferring. Never move points for a flight you haven't fully planned. Sweet spot 4 is transfer bonuses. Banks periodically run limited-time bonuses where moving points to a partner gets you 20 to 30% extra miles instantly. A transfer bonus effectively increases your points value overnight, turning a 1.5 cent redemption into something closer to 2 cents. The trap: never transfer just because a bonus is running. Only take it if you already had a redemption planned for that exact program. Sweet spot 5 is devaluation-proofing your stash. When a partner program announces an upcoming award chart increase, transferring before the deadline locks in the old, cheaper pricing. Once points land in the airline or hotel account, they're typically grandfathered at the redemption rules active at the time of transfer for that stay or flight. This is one of the few legitimate reasons to transfer without a confirmed booking yet, but only when a devaluation date is officially announced, not rumored. Sweet spot 6 is sub-15K short-haul hotel nights. Some hotel transfer partners price short getaway properties at a steep discount versus what a comparable cash rate would cost. Weekend city hotels in these lower categories frequently redeem below the cost of a modest hotel breakfast, making the points per dollar math hard to beat. The move: check the cash rate first, divide by points required, and only transfer if you're clearing your target cents per point value. Sweet spot 7 is business class positioning through partner charts. Certain partner airlines price long-haul business class awards far below what the operating carrier charges directly. By transferring to the partner program instead of the operating airline's own program, the same seat can cost tens of thousands fewer points. This is the highest value sweet spot on this whole list, often clearing 5 cents per point or more when done right. Sweet spot 8 is the cash out escape hatch, and this is the one people get backwards. Every flexible program has a cash or statement credit redemption rate, usually around 1 cent per point. That 1 cent floor isn't a last resort, it's your baseline. Never transfer to a program if the resulting value would land below what cash redemption already guarantees you. If you can't verify availability, don't know the sweet spot pricing, or the trip isn't booked yet, cashing out is safer than gambling on a devalued transfer. So here's the full chart stitched together. Saver awards, off-peak hotels, positioning flights, transfer bonuses, devaluation locks, short-haul hotels, business class partners, and the cash floor. Now, the decision framework. The exact 3 questions to ask before you ever hit transfer. Question 1. Do I have a confirmed award itinerary with availability already verified? If no, don't transfer yet. Question 2. Does this redemption clear at least double the cash out floor in value per point? If no, keep points parked. Question 3. Is there an active devaluation warning that makes locking in today's chart urgent? If yes, that's your green light to move early. If all 3 answers point toward transferring, you're in a genuine sweet spot, not a guess. If any answer is uncertain, park the points. They lose 0 value sitting with Amex, Chase, CD, or Capital One. Remember, the entire advantage of flexible points is optionality. The second you transfer, you've traded optionality for one specific outcome. That trade is only worth making when the math clearly favors you, which is exactly what these 8 sweet spots identify. Quick recap. Park by default, verify availability before transferring, use the cash floor as your baseline, and only chase transfer bonuses or devaluation locks when a real trip is already planned. The next move. Open your points dashboard right now, check your current balance across these ecosystems, and hold off on any transfer until you've run it through these 3 questions. If this chart helped you see the sweet spots clearly, the next video breaks down exactly which card in each ecosystem earns transferable points fastest for your specific spending. Check the card, links in the description to compare current welcome offers. See you in the next one.